I think all the different concepts involved are neat. It's fun to play around with the different ideas behind it all.
Yeah, it's kind of cool to think that we're seeing money's latest evolution. Like she said, we've gone from cows to gold to paper and now electronic money.
Yeah, well, actually, based on my recent luck, I'd like to make a case for going back to cows.
Why?
Oh, my credit card number got stolen sometime last weekend, and now I have all these crazy charges on my account.
What happened? Did you lose your card or something?
No, I mean, it never left my purse, but somehow somebody got a hold of the account number and the password, and they bought, online jewelry and these really expensive boots in Berlin and then CDs in London.
How do you find this out?
Actually, the credit card company called me. They wanted to verify some of the charges. They thought it was suspicious that there were charges made in the US and Germany and England all on the same day.
Wow. Well, it's good that they found it so fast, though.
Yeah.
So did you have to pay for anything?
No, fortunately, the credit card company is covering it all. I mean, that's their policy when there's theft or fraud. But the whole episode's just kind of bummed me out, I mean, I think I'm just going to stick to cash right now, and I don't really trust electronic money.
I don't blame you, but cash is risky too. You could get robbed.
Thank you for the comforting thought.
Yeah, what are you trying to do to her over
Yeah.
there? That's scary, though, about the credit card numbers.
I know.
To think that you had the thing the whole time.
I know.